Alright, maintenance instruction for the flanged vacuum relief valves. The scope of the purpose of the document is explained with the steps necessary to replace the elastometric valve gasket present in Saco Products one-piece gasket, one-piece cast flange vacuum relief valve assembly. Once again, the scope of the document is explained with the steps necessary to replace the elastometric valve gasket present in the Saco Product one-piece cast flange vacuum relief valve assembly. Alright, you have your cap fasteners, your valve cap, a hex nut, and then valve bushing, valve springs. Apply anti-seize to the threads and valve body, hex jam nut, valve gasket. Applying anti-seize threads, valve stem assembly, and apply drops to the blue thread locker. Or your valve disassembly. Secure the valve with a suitable holding fixture. Remove the cap fastener. Torque security bit number 25. Remove the valve cap. Loosen the hex nut, lock nut, stem 1/2 inch rip, removing the spring pressure until completely removed. The valve bushing and valve spring can now be removed. Remove the valve stem from the valve body. Loosen and remove the hex nut jam nut from the valve stem using 11/16 inch valve gasket can be removed and discarded. Clean and inspect all the valve components and threads. Any sign of the damage, distortion, replace as necessary. Your valve stem assembly with the new gasket orientated as shown in figure 1. Slide the gasket all the way down on the valve stem. Ensure the gasket is fully seated with the gasket holder recess. Apply a drop of blue threaded locker on the locker threaded area with the stem as shown in figure 2. Thread on hex nut jam nut until the nut bottoms are out and resistance is felt. Alright, valve assembly. Verify the valve body is clear and free of the debris and dirt. Install the valve assembly with the valve body from the underside. Apply the small amount of anti-seize top thread valve stem assembly steel location marked on figure 3. Install valve spring. Install valve bushing. Install nylon lock thread down until the nylon engages, prevents rotation over the hand. The valve is now ready for setting and retesting. Alright, valve testing. Note, a test bench of the manometer negative pressure gauge is needed in order to properly seal, set, and calibrate the vacuum relief valve with the prescribed setting. Reference the valve cap marking with the Salco product drawing specific part with the number of the negative pressure setting of the valve. Clockwise rotation of the hex lock nut compresses the spring, increases the negative set. Nut compresses the spring, increase the negative set pressure vacuum relief valve. Reference your company's vacuum relief test procedure for the vacuum relief valve setting and testing. Final assembly applies anti-3-thread cap holes to the cap fastener and apply with the valve cap to the assembled valve and install the cap fasteners and tighten. And it shows figure 1, figure 2, and figure 3. That was your maintenance instruction for the flange vacuum relief valves.